In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change birth date on Discord. If you've looked in Discord's user settings and couldn't find a way to edit your date of birth, you're not missing anything. Discord doesn't let you change it directly. Instead, you'll request an update through the official support site. I'll walk you through the form and share a few helpful tips so your request is clear and complete. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Discord support website. On that page, look for the option to submit a request. This opens Discord's ticket system where you can choose the category that fits your issue. From the category menu, select Appeals and Age Update Requests. This tells support you're trying to correct your account's birth date, not reporting a bug or something else. Next, choose Update My Age Information. That loads the age update form with the fields you need. Now, you'll see a few optional fields first. There's a phone number field. This is optional and can help support reach you if they need more details, but you can leave it blank if you prefer. There may also be a server ID field, which is only relevant if your age issue is tied to a particular server. If you already know a server ID, you can paste it. If not, you can simply skip it. Enter your date of birth exactly in the MMDDYYY format. Be precise here and double check the month and day before moving on. For the subject line, type something short and clear like age update. In the description box, politely explain that you need your age updated on your account. Keep it straightforward. Mention that the current date is incorrect and that you're requesting an update to the correct birth date. Clarity helps support understand and act on your request faster. Before you submit, check the box confirming that you've read the instructions. This indicates you understand the process and agree to any guidance shown on the page. When everything looks good, go ahead and submit the form. After submitting, keep an eye on the inbox for the email tied to your Discord account and check your spam or junk folder just in case. Response times can vary and Discord may follow up with instructions or questions if they need to verify details. Avoid creating duplicate tickets. Replying to the same thread keeps everything organized. That's it. With the form submitted and details clear, you've taken the correct path to get your birth date updated on Discord. Thanks for watching and good luck with your request.